Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. This is John here with the Pipe Lounge. Sorry, I have been more or less abusing my channel here. I have been just gone shuck busy. Started back to physical therapy and doing all that. Today we're smoking a Missouri Meerschaum Icelandic corn cob with a red acrylic stem. Got the silver band. Still using our little pocket knife tamper we got. Today is another video on our journey with the pipes and pocket knives series that I have been running. Today we have got this little Stockman here. This is a Camillus premium stock. Pocket knife. Most of your Stockmans carry a clip point blade, a spade blade, and a sheep's foot. This one here is a little different. This is a cattle punch. You got a spiral punch right there, your clip point there, and your spade blade there. Beautiful little knife. I just restored this one. One of my favorites. I put it up here with my other knives that I got on my bookshelf. Warming up a little bit down here in North Alabama finally. I think it was near 70 today. Excuse me while I run this knife blade here a few strokes down the sharpening stone. And I hope everybody's having a blessed week this week, as it's only Tuesday. Hell, we never know if it's a good week or not. hopefully one day here soon we'll get back out to the lounge. And we'll get to spend some time in the lounge outside, even if it's outside in front of the lounge, listening to the radio, listening to the birds chirp, and just enjoy life a little bit. Just a little recap on myself. My name is John. I'm 25 from North Central Alabama. And I picked up pipe smoking about 2 years ago. And sadly enough, I put it down for a little while, and it took getting disabled and losing the use of half of my body to be able to pick it back up and enjoy life a little more. '25, I had a car wreck in 2023, and it broke my left femur, or distal femur. About 4 inches of that bone was not known to be of existence anymore. And when I had that wreck, I was nearly ejected out of the vehicle, tore the carotid artery, which caused me to have a stroke on the right side of my brain, affecting the left side of my body. So this arm here is rendered useless. I just kind of sit and look at it. It's just hanging around like a hair in a biscuit. Hanging in there like a rusty nail in hickory. Oh, and I almost forgot the key point here. I am smoking Big Chief Red. I believe it is. It's I believe more of a English blend, but I could be mistaken. Richard, you may have to correct me there, sir. But yeah, I believe it's a Big Chief Red. I believe it's more of a English blend. And it's not a crumble or a ribbon cut. It's kind of more of a stringy tobacco. Oh, and boy, does this smell good. If y'all could smell this through the phone. Like the good Dr. Alan Harrelson says, make your tongue slap your brain. It tastes just as good as it smells. It smells a lot like cherries to me. All right, folks, I've got to sign off, and we'll see y'all in the next video. Y'all stay safe, stay warm, and have a blessed rest of your week. Remember, everybody, God loves you, and I love you. Y'all stay safe now. Peace out.